Alright, so I think I'm recording. Let's take a look at these problems, 12, 13, and 14. They're all in reference to this graph and reading the graph correctly to recognize that the function notation is just asking you for a y-coordinate. Now, inside in the input, the -2, that's from the domain, that's the x-coordinate. So when x is -2, when x is -2, where are you on the graph? Well, here's the point right here where x is -2, and the corresponding y value is +1. That's what it's asking, is that corresponding y value. So for the next one, when x is 0, you also have to be on the graph. Well, it's in reference to this point right here, the y-intercept. When x is 0, the y value is a -1. And now that in 14, it's the question is changing slightly. It's asking you not for a y-coordinate, but for an x-coordinate. And it's telling you the y-coordinate is -2. So if we come down here, this point has a y-coordinate of -2. And if we go to the left, this point has a y-coordinate of -2. So it's asking for these x values. When x is -11, then the y value is -2. Or when x is 1, the y value is -2. So we have two answers here, that x could be equal to -11, or that x could be equal to +1. Both of those x coordinates produce a y coordinate of -2. You could write it in function notation. This function evaluated at -11 is equal to -2, and the function evaluated at 1 is equal to -2. Every x produces exactly one y value. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to be the same y value. Each x corresponds to exactly one y. Hope that helps.